To begin, log in to your Coinbase account using your registered email and password. Once you are signed in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where your profile icon is located. Click on it and from the drop-down menu select Settings. This will take you to the page where all your account preferences and security options are managed. Inside the Settings menu, you will see several different tabs. Navigate to the API Keys tab. This is where you can create and manage keys that allow third-party applications like Coinstats to access your Coinbase account securely. Next, scroll down to the Secret API Keys section. Here, click the Create API Key button. A new form will appear, prompting you to set up the details of your new API key. Start by giving your API key a nickname. The nickname should be something meaningful such as Coinstats integration, so you can easily identify it later. For the signature algorithm, keep the default option as @25D519. This is the recommended and secure algorithm, so there is no need to make changes here. Once you have confirmed the details, click the Create and Download button. Coinbase will now generate both your API key and API secret. After the keys are created, download them and store them in a safe location. Be careful at this stage because your API secret will only be visible to you once during the creation process. If you lose it, you would need to generate a new key.